Hi, I'm Bob Rubart, and the voices in my head tell me that it's time for another 2-minute tech tip. Here to deliver today's tech tip is Wayne van Sluys. Wayne is a senior consultant at interRel Consulting, where he specializes in Oracle Business Intelligence, Hyperion, and Oracle Data Integrator. Wayne, what's the topic of your tech tip?
Bringing maps to data.
If you are ready, your 2 minutes start now.
Good morning. A lot of times when people work with data, there's a geographic component to it. But oftentimes we take that data and we list it tabulary. So then all we see is words. Often you might get a graph or a chart to help you display it, but we don't get a context or relationship of space in that data. Now, most of us know the location of our 50 states, but what about the counties within those states? So when we have data that's married to a map, we start to see the context of relationship. We can see a pattern or a flow of where that data is going or what's happening within the neighborhood of that data. So if a hurricane comes up the East Coast and we hit certain counties, if I list those counties alphabetically, it makes no sense to you. However, if I take a map and I apply that map to the data using Oracle BI and Spatial analytic capabilities, I now get to see the context and the impact of those affected counties. Maybe it makes more sense when you start thinking about the elections and we see the electoral maps, how we have the blue and green state, or the blue and red states, excuse me, or blue and red counties throughout the state.
30 seconds.
The map gives you context. It gives you the ability to see where the patterns are easier than if I were to give you a list in alpha tabular order. So take the chance, look at Map Viewer, and look at the integration points with OBIEE, and take your data to, because I think you'll find that maps with your data have a greater impact. Thank you. Thank you very much.
This is like a dream I've had.
Wayne, thanks for a great tip. And you folks at home watching on YouTube, click those thumb icons and let us know what's happening.